Okay, in this video we will learn about text transform in CSS. So I have opened the MDN documentation for text transform here. Okay, so as you can see, whenever we want to make the words capitalize or uppercase, lowercase, or none, basically it is the default. So we use the text transform property in CSS. So let's get started then. Okay, and there are some of the other ones as well, which we do not use quite that often. So we will discuss these four in our video. Okay, so let's go to the code editor. All right, so here so let's go to the browser once again and go to here. And as you can see, the text here is as it is, what I have written. Okay, so let me just change the color of the text. So color and do something like hash CCC, something like this. Okay, and now we can do text transform and we can do something like uppercase. Okay, and if I go to the browser, all right, this color doesn't look that much great, but our text is now uppercased. So let me just do a little bit of the, yeah, something like this. Okay, and go to here. Okay, let's go with black. That default. Anyways, so this is the text transform. For the paragraphs, let's do the same thing. Let's do text transform and let's do something like uppercase once again and see what happens. So now our text is now uppercased, all of the text. But one thing to remember here is that if I just inspect the p tag, and here as you can see, this text for h1 and this text in p tag are not changed. It is as it is. We are just like using CSS to transform the text and show it to us right inside of the browser. All right, so this is basically that. So we can do something like lowercase. So what will happen here, everything will be in lowercase. Okay, and then we can do capitalize, and what it will does, it will just capitalize the first letter of each of the words inside of our paragraph here, right? Because we have implemented that inside of the paragraph element. Okay, so this is the text transform property in CSS. Basically, whenever you might have to transform the text, but you do not want to change the text inside of the HTML, you can use these properties. Okay, all right, so next we will look at the text decoration.